Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I am reviewing my October Boxycharm, and I think I want to do this towards the end of the month so I can play with the products throughout the month and see how I feel about them and if I like them. Okay, so let's review what I got. Here's my box, Boxycharm, and it's a theme. I guess it's every month, and alter ego is their theme. And let's see, I got the PUR, the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. And this, so it's kind of like a eyeshadow and like a blush palette. It's actually really pretty. Yeah, so you can use like eyeshadows and for the face, but I guess those blushes, I don't know, I don't use blush, but you can, obviously you can use these on your eyes as well. So we'll play with that. That runs for $38. I got the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So I was kind of playing with that. We'll use that today. That runs for $24. BRIOGEO, I used to say BRIOGEO. BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair. It's a leave-in. It's a leave-in mask / conditioner, I guess, right? I've been using this before I apply other products. So this is really good because BRIOGEO is all natural products and I love them, and I really need to go buy some more because I ran out of them and I really, really like them a lot. That runs for $16. I got a hand cream from AHAVA, Active Dead Sea Minerals, Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I've been keeping this in my drawer and the smell is so good. I love, love, love the smell. So, and it feels very moisturizing when I use it. So this has been great. I've been using this every day. That retails for $10 for that size. And I got a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it's matte. We'll talk about it when I get to it. And that runs for $20. And I think that's everything. So that's everything I got. So let's get into it. And I have everything else on my face, so I guess we'll go right into the palette. Let's start. See, I need like just a color like this to go in, and just kind of, I'm going to go all over my eyes. Is that a highlighter? Huh. I mean, it's kind of shimmery, but not crazy. So it's probably supposed to be a highlighter, but it's okay. I'm going to put it all over. So yeah, I mean, this was a nice palette to use. I was enjoying it. I didn't use it a lot, I'm not going to lie. It's just like hard for me to try at work because there are a lot of shimmers in here. Like, I'm not going to wear those shimmers to work. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see. We'll see what we can do. And I'm going to go in with this color here as like a transitional color, right? Because like that pretty much seems like the color I always start off with, but I guess that's just kind of the norm for everyone, right? Go all over with the light beige, light color, and then that color seems to always be the transitional, but it works. And they blend really nice. It's a pretty palette, like just the way it looks, I mean. Like it doesn't, I don't think it looks cheap at all. I think I like it. I think I like it. I know I like it. Okay, so, I mean, it is pretty. Okay, so I'm wearing blue. So I guess I'll go into some of the shimmers first. They have like a silver shimmer, blue, purple, green, and looks like a dark purple shimmer. I think I'm gonna go in the blue. I don't wanna go too crazy today, but we're gonna try it. And that, you see how prominent that is? That's really a nice color. And actually, it's not crazy shimmery, which maybe some people want more of a shimmer, but I think I like it more calm. You know, it's good to have both in your collection, shimmery or like dull shimmery. I would say this is more dull, which is what I kind of like. Now just to go with I'm gonna try and go in with a brush on that. I'm not worried about getting here because I'm gonna go over another color with that and on that end. Goes on good with the brush too. Go back here on my fingers in that silver color. I'm just gonna put it more in the middle and blend it out with the blue. It's pretty. Okay, let me mix all that again here so it doesn't look weird. And I'm gonna go in with this other arc. I didn't realize there were names on it. So this was Twilight. It's in white, so it's hard to see. Oh, okay. Enchantment, Hidden Secret. I shouldn't put my brush on there. Reveal, Exposed, Mask Off, Sneak Peek, Disguise, Showtime, and 12 a.m. Oh, you know, that's probably like a black. That's more like a light black kind of shimmery, not blue. I think I said dark blue before. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Sneak Peek. And I'm just gonna put those in the end, put that in the end. I have to get the right brush. This would be a good palette if you have, I don't know, for like Halloween inspired looks. Is anyone going to any Halloween parties? I actually have one next week. You'll see what I'm gonna be. It's nothing crazy, believe me. It's kind of like lazy costume, but you'll see, I guess this weekend coming up. Should I just like try the other colors and put the green on the bottom? I don't know if that's gonna match, but I want to see what that green looks like. I kind of wish I went with the green on top, because I always do blue and I never do green. You rarely see green. I just had it in that Jaclyn Hill palette, which my daughter took. I gave it to her though. How can I say no when they ask? Not so much. I don't need all of this on my own. Okay. I mean, it's a pretty palette. It really is. Just go back into that silvery and I'll put a little bit up there. Okay, so I think that's good. Should I try that? Oh, I have bronzer on. I forgot. Oh, I forgot to use this as bronzer. I did though in the past. I have been using it and testing it as bronzer. I just forgot to put other bronzer on today. So it was nice. I do remember that, liking it. I'm not doing blush because I don't like blush. Sorry. I do remember liking this as a light highlight, because you know I like very low-key highlights. So yeah, I mean, you can play around with this shadow, right? You can make different looks with it. So I did enjoy that. That was pretty nice. Now let's go. I'm not gonna put eyeliner on. I'm just gonna go right into the mascara. And this was nice. I liked it. I really thought it was good. Stayed on good all day. Didn't flake off, which is what I hate. And again, I don't wear falsies, so mascara is pretty important to me. This is actually really nice. See that? Very nice. Okay. By the way, I didn't get that lace mask that it seems a lot of people were getting in their Boxycharm this month. Kind of felt a little left out, but at the same time, oh, I smudged it. My fault. At the same time, I was like kind of glad because I don't know, that lace mask was kind of creepy to me. Just saying. Ah! Yeah, I wasn't a fan of that lace mask. It just like is creepy. I don't like scary movies and that. Just like, I don't want to look in the mirror and see that on my face. Okay, so my eyes look pretty. I think so. I think this is actually a very nice palette. The mascara is really nice. Let's move on to the lipstick. Oops. Fell away. I really want to make this work because when I pulled it out, I saw the color. I'm like, this is my color and this is going to work. And then I kept saying, it's one of these though. And it's matte. So my lips are going to dry and they're going to feel horrible and look horrible. Well, let's put it on. I forgot to put lip liner. That's right. Can I do it after? Oh well. Okay, so pretty color, right? Honestly, it was probably a little too dark for me. I wish it was just like a shade lighter because I'm always looking for that perfect brown and it's so hard to find. I put it on and I'm giving it a try. I gave it a try so many days. I'm like, it's really not that bad. And I'm gonna tell you something, throughout the day, it was good and it stayed on. And it wasn't that drying liquid lipstick. It wasn't that drying liquid lipstick that's matte that I hate. That is pretty much every other lipstick in my opinion. If it's matte and it's in liquid form, that sucker's sucking my lips out. It's gonna be horrible. I'm gonna hate it, hate it, hate it. But this, I didn't hate. I really didn't hate it. And it felt really good. For some reason right now it's feeling a little drying, but it's not. But you know what I did do? Because I felt like, it's a little darker than I would like. So all I did was put like any light shade. This is just Maybelline in Baddest Beige. But it's a sheer, not a sheer, it's like a light pink, light nude. And I just enjoyed that mixed with that. Any light color. Made it just a little more moisturizing, but you really didn't need to. This was actually a lipstick that I could have worn all day, no problem. But the color, I just wanted to lighten it up a little. And let's put some hand lotion on, because I've been loving this. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my God, I can't explain it. I guess it smells like the sea, but in a good way. It smells so good. Okay, so that's my Boxycharm. I kind of like the way all these colors went together. I like the mascara. I like the lipstick. I love the lotion. And I like the palette. I really did. I like the palette. You could do a bunch of different colors. There's a lot of colors to choose from. So very enjoyable. And that's it. That's my Boxycharm for this month of October. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe below if you haven't. And have a great day.